Good morning, beautiful people. Scott Patterson here from My Total Life Happiness channel. How are you today? Today's video is going to be about TikTok. Now, and TikTok in particular, using TikTok for business. So TikTok is been around about 4 years, but it's gained popularity probably within the last 12 to 18 months. It's just exploded in popularity. And what people are doing, especially people in business, are now jumping on board and utilizing the platform to generate leads and sales to their business. Now, I'll show you what I mean, but we'll go through a little bit of stats first. I know everyone thinks and associates TikTok with dancing kids, and that's how it started. So I think it used to be called Musical.ly. They rebranded, and now it's just exploded. There still is a lot of people doing dance routines and all that sort of stuff, but the platform is so powerful now and so widespread that people are able to get on there and set up their business messages, their marketing messages, or whatever message you want to get out and reach the right target audience. Now I'll show you some stats I'll put on TikTok. Going just to a stats program, down. Alright, so it has over 800 million active users worldwide. It's about, I think, in about 100 and something countries now. When you think about that stat, just go down, 2 billion downloads. 2 billion downloads of the app, which is huge. So you load it on your phone and you can pretty much run your business from your phone, which is pretty awesome. And 33 million downloads from the Apple Store. So it's ranked the most downloaded app in the Apple Store, based in Q1 2019. So if you look at that, outranking YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. So it's the latest and greatest. And why I think it is so popular, especially for business, because if you think about it, let's go to another platform. Let's go to Social Blade. Now this is a third-party statistics for social media platforms. And let's have a look. Remember what the stats said before. There's 800 million users worldwide. Now, this is how many content creators there are for it. So it's just over 300,000 content creators. So there's more people watching than creating. So when you upload something to your platform or to your app, you've got a far greater chance of getting viewed at the moment. And that's why it's exploding for business. Now I'll show you I've only started doing this not too long ago. Literally probably just over a month I've been doing it. And I sort of focus on helping people make money online, give free training, all that sort of stuff. So you can do videos. I started doing videos of my training, and I was getting views, but I wanted to get more views, so I just kept testing different ideas. What I found, especially when you start out, is look for popular, like celebrities or success people in your niche. So not saying like Kanye or the Kardashians, but people who are celebrities in your niche. So my business niche, one of the celebrities in my niche is Gary Vee. And you're allowed, with this app, you can duet. So you can find a video that's getting lots of views. I'll try and find something that is getting at least a couple 100,000 views. And you can partner with them, and you don't have to do anything. You just sort of react. You can put quotes up and all that sort of stuff, and links direct into your bio if they want to learn more. But I'll show you, since I started doing this, like I was averaging probably about 100 to 200 views a day, just doing my own thing, which is okay. And then I started partnering with other people. So Robert Kiyosaki's one. So that was my first breakthrough day. My first breakthrough was talking about Rich Dad Poor Dad. I've got over 1,000 views, and that was the first day that I broke like 1,000. I was always sitting around this number, between 100 and 200. I think I almost did 300 after, I don't know, about 3 weeks. So the thing is, keep testing, keep measuring different results. So then I sort of went down that road, partnering with celebrities. Not all of them are going to be home runs, but then my next big day was, I think, 4,000. Where was it? I had 4,000 views here, which is pretty cool. That's quadrupled my last result. And then my next big day was I hit 20,000 views, which is enormous. So and then it sort of dropped back a bit. But the main thing is keep testing ideas and keep finding things that work. Now, what I've also found, and I haven't started this, but if you start doing, well, what happens is you can follow people, you get people to follow you back if they like, your message, all that sort of stuff. So ideally, you want to build this. You want to build this, and you want to build this. The higher, the better, because the more popular you become, and the more views you get, and then the more chances of making sales and generating leads, all that sort of stuff. So I'm still growing that, which is fine. But what I've been finding, people are doing live videos. So if you get up and do like a question and answer live video, this helps grow your followers. So that's my next thing to test, and that will get more followers from what I understand. Anyway, so what you can do, you post your videos. I have been averaging about 3 videos a day, because my goal was to get around 2,000 to 2.7 thousand views a day is what I'm hoping to get on average in a week. And that will give me 1 million views over 12 months. So looking at long term, it's a 12-month program. But the best part is it's free traffic. It's free organic traffic. You don't have to pay for it, which is rather brilliant. And then what you can do is you can drop a link to your page. So mine is there, so I'll just show you quickly. And that takes you, so it says you're about to go to it. Yes, that's fine, open it anyway. And that takes me to my lead generation page. So I'm focusing on people who want to make money online in business. So give away a free video. I also give away a free training course valued at $297 for you just to add your details. And this is a course that I created to help you go from start to up and running in your business. And then there's another video you can watch from the product that I also promote, which is a brilliant product. But anyway, that is how you generate leads. And then you obviously have a follow-up series in your autoresponder that contacts them and gives them more information, and you build your like and trust, and then if they don't buy straight away, that they will buy down the track. So that is it, I think, from me. So awesome. I'll just show you 1 second. Go back to my page. All right. Yep. So you pop your link in there, and then you can also do links. You can link to YouTube channel, and you can link to Instagram as well. So that way you can also generate traffic. So use this platform as sort of like a little ad, because what you're doing is you're running 15-second, 1-minute ads or videos that will drive traffic, and you select the market that you want. So each, I'll just show you some stats quickly. Overview. So this is, in the last 7 days, I've had 27,000 views, which is pretty cool. Profile views is people looking at your profile and clicking on your link. which is very, very cool. So in the last 28 days, remember I said I've only just started, so this is the last month, 40,000 views a month, which is pretty awesome. Now, if you have a look at content, I'll just show you quickly. What you do is when you upload your video, you then put hashtags of keywords that people are searching for, and that's how you get traffic. You put a little lead generating quote or whatever, just so to get people's interest, and then you put in your hashtags, and that is how you generate traffic on TikTok for your business. So if you like this video and you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and definitely hit the bell notification. Hit the bell here so that way you'll be notified of future videos. And that is it for me. So you have yourself an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next video.